Nothing's impossible when they mention you. Nothing's impossible when they mention you. Nothing's impossible when they mention you. Impossible. You work with God, came down from the stars. Nothing I seen before, like you came from Mars. Shine like the moon, highlight you. You stepping out, you start the room. You can be more happier. The witness, the endless, benevolence. You're evident, you're better than anything I ever treasure. I'm feeling blissful, blissful.
This hair curly? Oh my god, yo. Let me start the car because we late. Well, we not late, but we late in my head. Yo, what up, y'all? Oh, no. Don't demonetize on this station, okay? But yo, let me put on my seatbelt. I gotta hurry up. I wanna put y'all down for a second because I gotta hurry up. Alright, y'all. So, what's up, y'all? Today, your girl is going to get her hair done. We going to get our hair professionally done. So I really didn't talk about it on my channel at all. I feel like I might have mentioned it in one of my like vlogs or something like that. Like I was gonna go get my hair done, and but I was just like, you know, I'ma savor the date. I told myself to be out the house by 5:30 so I could get there like a little bit, half an hour early. But it says we're gonna get there 15 minutes early. But hopefully, the way I drive, we gonna get there a little bit earlier than that. Okay, I'm super freaking excited. Like I cannot wait to get my hair done. I've been fiending to get my hair done for a minute now. This color, I'm over it. Excuse me. I've just been ready to like really get my hair done and, you know, just be cute again. Driving and talking to y'all for like a little minute, and then y'all know I don't really vlog and drive because I'm bad at it, and especially when I'm trying to like concentrate, I ain't got time for that. Yeah, I'm gonna just jam out because honestly it's early, and y'all know like I don't even really be talking like that this early, and I feel like I look busted. Like look how I look. Y'all lucky I put a little bit of lash. I did a little brow this morning. That's another thing why I should have woke up like even earlier than what I put, because I tried to do like a little 1-2 so that when my hair is done, you know, I could still look cute and not just hair done. Like I wanted to have like a little makeup on.
Cartier necklace, Cartier ring, Cartier diamonds, Cartier wood frame. You can get anything you want, long as it stay. Oh yeah, just for you I remain. Even when you're playing games, even when you give me pain, even when you mention the name. Who's to say I don't deserve what you give?
Yo, I'm so tired. I was literally chatting with y'all and I was not recording this. You're tired. Go to sleep. So anyway, I was telling y'all that just got here. It's 8:45. I'm about to go inside because I think they're open, and I'll just like get in there like a little bit early, maybe like 10-15 minutes early, just cause, you know, we could get settled and everything like that, so that way at 9 we could start. And then I'm like excited, I'm nervous. I was telling y'all that there was a 3-legged dog I just saw. He was huge. I'm crying because I'm really tired because I really did not press record. Birthday. It's your birthday. So yeah, I look busted right now, but when I come back, your girl's gonna be cute. Okay. 4 hours later. So just stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm gonna be a whole brand new, like whole brand new, bussy, beat, bussy. All right, let me go. Bye. I'll see you later. little link back there. Okay. Yeah, right there. We'll start there. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm back. Oh, by this hair curly? I'm gonna look like a broccoli head. Oh my god, she did such a good job. Like, I will leave all her information down below. Like, bruh, she killed it. Like, my sis did that. Okay. 3 o'clock, bro. I've been here since 9 a.m. It's 6 hours. That's a job. Oh my god, 6 hours, but it was worth it. It was worth every minute. I got to like chat with some of the girls there. So yeah, it was so cool. I met like so many beautiful young ladies doing the damn thing, and shout out to all of y'all, because y'all really made my experience at this salon super dope. So thank you, I appreciate it. But yo, look how short my hair is. Like, bitch, what? You have a bob? Like, excuse me? Oh my god, like, I feel like a new person. Seriously, with this hair, like, what? This was a rain tomorrow, so that's the only thing I'm a little burnt about, because I just got my hair done, so I'm like, okay. But y'all, she did that, and she did my little edges right here, little swoops. She did that. Like, I really appreciate how much she took her time to do my hair. I feel like my AC is mad loud, but yes, y'all, look at my hair. I love it. Now let's hope we say the same thing once it's curly, because I'm really trying to be on a healthy hair journey. Here we are, journey number, big chop number 2. I think this is like the second time I really chopped my hair off, like, ever. So I feel like that's not too bad for like being natural for like six years. I think 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it might be like 9 now. Yeah, I don't know how long I've been natural. I've been natural for a minute, but this is like the second time I really did a chop like this, like above the. So I'm about to have a teeny weeny afro. I know once this gets wet. I'm gonna go find something to eat, because like I said, again, I'm starving. I keep saying it because I'm hungry, but I'm talking to y'all because I want to show y'all my do. But yeah, so I will hit you guys up once I find something to eat. I feel like real, like, Babbage, like corporate, like excuse me, can you please sign my checks? Thank you. Oh my god. But no, seriously, I love it. I'm loving it. Like, this is gonna be my new spot. Like, I don't care if I have to drive 2 hours. This is my new spot, so yes, I can't wait. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm gonna get some food. Bye.